Hey everyone, this is Andrew back with another Linux desktop customization video, and in this video I will show you how to customize your Ubuntu desktop with Hyprland. So first I will show you how to install Hyprland on your Ubuntu desktop, and then I will show you how to get this setup for your Hyprland. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and I hope you like this customization. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that you'll need is get the project file. You can find the link of the project file down in the description of this video. Actually, there are two project files, as you can see. You can find both the links down in the description of this video. So quickly extract them, and then I can delete the zip files, and then go inside, install hypr, and here I have the script to install Hyprland. So right click on an empty space and then open a terminal and then type chmod +x install hypr.sh. Now do not forget to right click on an empty space and then open a terminal. This way it will open the terminal in that particular inside that particular folder. Alright, so now we are installing Hyprland by typing /install hypr.sh. Now this will take some time, probably 15 or 20 minutes depending on the connection speed. Okay, so I'll press Y and press enter, press OK, press enter again, enter, press space and press enter to continue. I'll press enter here as well. Alright, so now it's asking me if I want to reboot or restart, and I will actually press no. But if you restart now and go to your login screen and select Hyprland from the gear icon, clicking on the gear icon and then type your password, and it will take you to Hyprland. But as you can see that this is the default Hyprland setup. So we have successfully installed Hyprland, but we're not going to do that. I mean, we're not going to restart now because I am going to apply the config file that I have prepared for you guys. So for that, go to Hyprproject, which is the other project file that I was talking about at the beginning of this video, and then I will simply install the script called everything.sh. So do the same, right click on empty space and open a terminal and then type chmod +x everything.sh to make the file executable. Then type /everything.sh to run the script, and type my password and then press enter, and it will start installing all the necessary packages. Now while it is installing all the packages, click on this download links text file, and here I have two links for the themes. So just copy and paste them to your browser one by one, and then simply download the themes. So let's first go to Capuchin GTK theme, click on files, and then I'll simply download this light theme, borderless light theme. So click on it and simply download it. And after that, go to Draftbox GTK theme, click on files, and then I will download two themes from here. So one is for the light theme and one is for the dark theme. So let's first install the light theme, which is this one, and then the dark theme, which is this one, and click on download. Once I've downloaded this, I can close the browser, then go to downloads and simply extract these files that I have just downloaded. I can just double click and it will extract. And after that, right click on the home and then open a new window inside a home directory, and then press Ctrl H to make the hidden files show up, and then create a new folder called .themes. And now I'm going to simply drag and drop all of these GTK themes inside the .themes, which I have just created inside the home directory. And I'll do the same for this Graphbox theme as well. Just drag and drop inside the .themes, and then I can simply delete all these .tar or zip files. Wait for our script to finish its job. Now, once it's done, I can press Ctrl C on my keyboard and close the terminal. And now let's go inside the script. So right click and open it in a text editor and scroll down, and over here I'm looking for a few commands. Just copy and paste these commands to download the icon packs on your home directory. So these will download the icon packs to my home directory, and after that let's copy and paste these commands to simply copy those downloaded themes inside the .icons folder, which is inside the home directory, just like we did with the .themes. Alright, so let's copy and paste this Neofetch download command. So this will simply download the Neofetch themes to our home directory, just like the icon packs, and then simply copy and paste these two lines as well for Neofetch to apply the themes. Okay, so once you're done, now I can close all of these windows, and as you can see that it has already applied the icon pack. And the next thing that I'll do is right click inside on an empty space inside my project file again, and this time I will run the script called installfish.sh. So type /installfish.sh, and this will install the fish shell, and after that just simply restart. Now in my login screen, I will select my username, then right click and then click on the gear icon at the right bottom corner, select Hyprland, and then type my password and log in to the Hyprland. So as you can see, we are in Hyprland right now, but you are going to notice the error that are showing up at the top of the screen. So let's fix that. So open the file explorer first, and then go to .config, press Ctrl H to make the hidden file show up, then go to .config, and then go to this themes folder, which is called needy worm, and then go to hypr folder, and then open the hyprland.conf file, and then simply let's just quickly do some tweaking for this text editor first. And then search for the window rules, the errors. So these are the two lines that are causing the errors. So I'm going to simply remove those and save the file, and then apply the theme again. And as you can see that the error is gone. So basically I'm going to do the same for the other two themes as well. So there are actually 3 themes for these customizations that I can switch between. So currently I am tweaking the second theme, not the second, is the third one, which is called Needy Light. So I'm going to do the same, go inside the hyper folder and then remove these 2 lines, and then if I apply the second theme, as you can see that the error is still showing up because I haven't changed the hyprland.conf file for the second theme, which is I'm going to do now. Go to new record, this is the second theme, go to the hyprland.conf file and then simply remove these 2 lines. Save the file, and now let's go ahead and actually tweak a little bit for the file explorer to make it look more minimal and clean. So hide the toolbar, the status bar, and press Ctrl+ on your keyboard to make the icons larger, and then we're good to go. Now if I switch between the themes, and you will see that everything looks perfect. So yeah guys, this is the customization. You can switch between themes, and you can actually switch the wallpapers as well, change the wallpapers. And let me quickly show you how you can actually apply your own wallpaper. So go to .config and then go to these three themes folders, go inside one of them and go to walls folder, and here if you drop any wallpaper, it's gonna show up here to the wallpaper switcher box. Alright guys, so the next thing that I'll do is, as you can see that the Rofi launcher icons are not looking that good, so I'm going to fix that. So go to my themes folder, one of my 3 themes folder, and then go to Rofi and then open up the launcher config file, and then I'm going to simply change the name of this icon pack to dark and save the file, and then apply the theme again and open up the launcher, the Rofi launcher, and you will see that the icon packs have been applied. And I will do the same for the other 2 themes as well. Open up my Rofi launcher configuration file, and then from here I am going to simply change the name of the icon pack and save the file, and you will see that actually not the other 2, because the first theme already has the icon pack named correctly. Now I'm going to change this Neofetch theme, you can say. So for that, what I'm going to do is just simply go inside this Neofetch folder that I have downloaded using git clone, and go to small, and I'm going to simply copy these 2 files and paste them inside .config and then the Neofetch folder. So let's go to .config and delete this Neofetch text file. I don't know how did that happen, but I'm going to make a new folder called Neofetch, and then inside this folder I'm going to simply copy and paste those 2 Neofetch themes. So these 2, simply drag and drop. And now if I close everything and open a new terminal, and you will see that it has this new Neofetch theme showing up every time I open a terminal, which looks pretty cool. And I have downloaded this theme using the git clone command. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like this customization, and I really appreciate the support that you have been giving me from the beginning. And thank you so much for getting the membership. I really appreciate this. If you got the membership, you're gonna have access to all the files, all of the files that I've already uploaded to my buy me a coffee page, and also all of the files that I will be uploading in the future. So you're gonna have access to all of those if you got the lifetime membership. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate this support, and I will see you in the next video.